सूरे बकरा आयत नंबर 9 to 13 पारा 1। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaitan devil. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Yukhadi'un Allah wallazina amanu. They wish to deceive Allah and those who believe. Wama yakhda'una illa anfusahum. And they do not deceive except themselves. Wama yash'urun. And they do not perceive it. Fi qulubihim maradun. In their hearts is disease. Fazadahumullahu marada. So Allah has increased their disease. Walahum azabun alim. And for them is a painful punishment. Bima kanu yakzibun. Because they used to lie. Wa iza qila lahum la tufsidu fil arz. And when it is said to them, don't cause corruption on earth. Qalu innama nahnu muslihun. They say, indeed we are only reformers. Ala innahum humul mufsidun. Beware, it is indeed they who are the corrupters. Walakin la yash'urun. But they do not perceive it. Wa iza qila lahum. And when it is said to them, Aminu kama amanan nasu, believe just as the people have believed. Qalu anu'minu kama amanas sufaha. They say, should we believe as the foolish have believed? Ala innahum humus sufaha. Beware, it is they who are the foolish. Walakin la ya'lamun. But they do not know it. Sadaqallahul Azim. Allah Almighty has spoken the truth.